Yes, hello guys. Welcome back again to this tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can restore back, recover the deleted files, deleted document, deleted video, deleted maybe material on your computer and return it back. So when you have a document on your computer, also you may have a document on your computer, or you may have even files on your computer and you want to delete them, but every document or every file you delete there on your computer is not going to be deleted by the first time. So there is also here a recycle bin when you see here, and this recycle bin is containing more information and is containing more data there. So all these information are the ones that you deleted earlier in your computer. So you need to make sure now you delete the information and it's going to be visible there. So how you can now recover the deleted file, deleted document, or another other deleted material in your computer. Also you can come here. If you see this file, it means it's the one also I deleted earlier in my computer, and if I want to recover it back also, I can click here. You see this is restore. Now this is a restore. Once I click restore back, so it is going to be restored to my computer. You see, it is going to move from here to there. So let me now go to desktop and maybe create new folder. Then this folder, and then I type maybe a booster. So this is a booster. Then when I delete this one, also I can delete this. So once I deleted that one, immediately once I hit Ctrl Z, it is going to be back to my desktop. But if I don't do that immediately, it is not going to be back to my computer. So the only one step remain is the one which is requiring me to go to the recycle bin and take back that document. So let me open the recycle bin now here. So I have to open the recycle bin, then search for that document, which is called a booster. So you can see now there's a booster here, and it's the only one I want to turn back. So when I try to open it here, it can't open because it is there in the recycle bin. So once it is in the recycle bin, also it is not working, it is not functioning well. And if I want it to function back, I need to click here restore one. I hit restore here, also it is going to be back to my computer. I can hit restore here, or I can even right click on it like this and hit restore. I can choose to view the properties of this document. When I see the properties, you see it is showing 0 bytes, which means that is not working. But it is showing 0 bytes because it is in dustbin. It is not occupying space in my computer. So now let me hit restore. Once I hit restore, then I hit OK. So then I go back to the desktop to see if the document is back or the file is back. If even the video is back, you can see now the file, the folder is back to my desktop. This is how you can also restore back the deleted file in your computer. So while you want to delete the document or the file in your computer, there are two parts. The first one is to delete it from maybe the destination or the location where your folder is. The second one is to delete it permanently in the recycle bin. Once you don't delete it in the recycle bin, the document or the file is not going to be deleted permanently. So for example, I go to the recycle bin and I see this AB. If I click here, it is not. If I hit here and right click on it, I can see delete button. When I hit delete button, it is going to bring the warning messages asking me whether I want to delete it permanently. So I can choose to delete it permanently if I want to delete it permanently. This is the final stage of deleting a folder. If I delete it here permanently, I will no longer be able to see this file or this folder in my computer. So I hit yes. When I hit yes, it's going to be missing at all because I delete it permanently.